So this is one type of problem you might have, a problem where they give you a complicated f of x and you need to find f prime of x. Usually this will be a multiple choice part, but what about something where they give you f prime of x and you have to go the opposite direction? Basically use things about f prime to figure out things about f. Right? And so that's what we're going to do here. Now, so this is a graph, but this graph right here is like the one we got over here. Right? This is a graph of f prime. It's telling me about the slope of some function f, right? So here, when f prime of 0 is 3, that doesn't tell me what f of 0 is, but it tells me that at f of 0 it has a slope, the function has a slope of positive 3, right? It's going the opposite direction of this, right? So here I knew that the slope was, if f prime of 2 is 0, I know that the slope at f of 2 is 0. All right, and so we could get some questions like this. All right, so from f prime of x looking like this, where is f of x increasing the most? Well, the outputs of this function tell me the slope of f of x. Right, so I'm looking for the biggest positive slope. Right, if it's increasing the most, so the biggest positive slope is up here. Right, and so that looks like it occurs at about x equals 4.4, right? The biggest positive slope is going to occur at 4.4. Remember, I'm looking at f prime of x here, not f of x. Now, on what intervals is f of x increasing? So what are we looking for from our function for f prime of x? Well, we're looking for where, when f of x is increasing, f prime of x is just positive, right? So we're looking for everywhere that f prime of x is positive. So where does that occur? Well, one place it occurs is in between 2 and probably like 5.7 out there, right? Now, another place it occurs is earlier on here, right? So about from 0 to 0.5. So there's two intervals where f is increasing, 0 to 0.5, and the other interval is 2 to 5.7, right? And similarly, if we want to find where f is decreasing, we look where f prime is negative, right? And f prime is negative on two different intervals. It's negative from 0.5 to 2, and it's also negative from about 5.7 to 6.